Hi all, are you engineering graduates and want to get a job in CTS? This is the video for you. At the end of the video, I will give you a bonus tip. So please watch the video till the end. So without any delay, let's get started. This is Hemlata Naral Setti. You are watching WebDev with MBK channel. In this video, I will explain about the CTS selection process and the interview and written test pattern, and finally about CTS offer letter. First is about CTS eligibility criteria. Eligibility criteria for CTS is we must have more than 60% of marks in our 10th and intermediate, and we must have minimum of 60% in our graduation. At the time of CTS selection process, we should not have any pending backlogs. So this is the eligibility criteria for CTS. And the next one is about written test pattern for CTS. Unlike other companies, CTS written process is quite different. Why? Because this test is conducted by AMCAT. So here there will be 4 different sections is there. Those are quants, logical, English and automata fix. While coming to the first section, which is quants, here there will be 16 MCQs will be there. Those are based on aptitude concepts. And the second section is about logical programming. Here there will be around 14 MCQs will be there. Those will be asked on basic programming only. And the third section is about English. In this section there will be 25 MCQs will be given to us. Those will be on reading comprehensions and para jumbles like etc. And while coming to the final section, which is automata fix is nothing but coding section only. Here there will be 7 coding questions will be given to us. We have to solve those 7 questions in 20 minutes only. For all those 7 questions, they only provide logic to us with some minor errors. We have to solve all those minor errors in order to pass all the test cases which are public and private. And in this section, the coding questions will ask on these concepts like control structures, conditional statements and linear data structures, and they will focus on searching and sorting algorithms. So in automata fix, they will mainly focus on these topics. So this is about the written test pattern for CTS. And next one is about interview process. In interview process, we know there will be 2 rounds like TR and HR. In TR, they will ask about the projects what you done in your graduation, and they will ask about the which technologies you used in your project while developing that project. And for CSE students, they will ask about the DBMS concepts like queries, and sometimes some interview panel members ask us to write a query and they will give you a scenario. We have to write query for that scenario, and they will ask about logical questions. So this is the TR round. Once you got for the TR, there will be HR. In HR round, they will ask your basic details, and they ask about whether you are ready to relocate or not, and sometimes they will ask about your strengths and weaknesses. So this is the interview pattern for CTS. And next one is CTS offer letter. So within a span of 1 month, I think we will get our offer letter. They will drop an offer letter to our mail IDs. So we have to accept that offer letter through Cognizant portal itself. Otherwise the offer might be rejected. Now I will tell about the do's and don'ts while writing the written test. CTS is an online exam with a video monitoring, so we can write the exam from our home also. While writing the written test exam, don't navigate to any other tabs. If you navigate to other tabs, the exam will be automatically closed. So be cautious while navigating to other tabs. And in that there will be automata fix, right? And don't try to copy the code from other resources. Once you got selected for the written test, there will be an interview for you. So while attending the interview, in that they will check your video footage. So if they found anything malpractice during your written test, they won't allow you to interview process. So be cautious while writing the exam. And don't look any other sites while writing the exam. Look at the computer you are using or laptop you are using while writing the exam. So this is the do's and don'ts for written test. And next one, I want to tell about my interview experience. In technical round, he asked me about what are the projects I done in my graduation, and he asked about the technologies what I used. I done my project on machine learning, so he asked me about questions on machine learning, what are the algorithms I used and what is the accuracy I got in my project. So this is the things he asked me. And as a CSE student, he asked me about DBMS concepts like joins. He gave me a scenario and asked me to write a query for that scenario. And later on, he gave me one coding challenge, asked me to write a logic for that. So this is my TR experience. While coming to the HR, in HR he asked me about normal basic details only, and he asked me about my strengths and weaknesses. So this is my interview experience for CTS. While you are attending to an interview, don't tell your negatives to the interviewer. Only focus on the positive things you know about. And next one is bonus tip. As a freshers, I want to tell you guys about how to prepare your resume. So by seeing your resume only, the interviewer asked many of the questions from the resume itself. So prepare your resume about the things you know well. If you put the things that you didn't know about that, if the interviewer asked from that itself, you might caught up there. So please prepare your resume with the things you are aware of that. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe this channel.